Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, October 11th. Been seeing some rainy conditions out there as well as some isolated thunderstorms this morning, and the heaviest rain has started to taper off, but we will be continuing to see scattered showers and cloudy skies through the remainder of the day. Taking a look at our conditions across the mid-Atlantic from yesterday, we did see more of a summer-like day once again across the entire region. Salisbury and Washington, D.C. were almost up to 90 degrees yesterday under very humid conditions. Everywhere else saw temperatures in the mid-80s. Our low temperatures this morning were especially reminiscent of summer-like conditions, with most locations in the lower to mid-70s, Dover being the only location that was able to reach below 70 degrees at 67. We did see a couple of records broken yesterday and today here at Wallops. Yesterday, our high temperature record for October 10th was broken by about 2 degrees. Previous record was 83. Yesterday we reached 85. We did shatter today's rainfall record for October 11th. Previously it was just under an inch of rain was the record, and we have already received 4 inches of rain as of around 2 a.m. tonight, or this morning rather. That 3.74 inches is up through 8 a.m. and we've received about another quarter of an inch since then. And most locations this morning are still seeing cloudy skies with rain reported across the region as of 9 a.m. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing that stationary boundary drift across the area just south of the Wallops region, and just north of there we are seeing that stronger onshore flow, so that has given us that easterly component there at 1,000 feet, around 25 knots. But just above there, winds are shifting from the west around 20 to 25 knots across the remainder of the column. So a pretty zonal flow aloft, and that is the direction we've been seeing those showers move all morning. We are seeing a freezing level slightly lower than yesterday morning at 15,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you can see that stationary boundary draped across the Delmarva Peninsula, and that is going to continue to linger across the area throughout the day today, giving us continued chances for isolated to widely scattered shower activity, as well as overcast conditions and some lower ceilings throughout the day into tonight. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, we did see that heavy batch of rain as well as some isolated lightning move through the area this morning. The heaviest rain has now moved east of the area, and we are going to start to see some brief dry periods throughout the day, but we are going to be continuing the chances for widely scattered showers throughout today and into tonight and even tomorrow as well under continued cloudy skies. Temperatures around the region are currently 70 degrees. Expect those temperatures to rise a little bit throughout the day, but remain capped around the mid to lower 70s due to the abundant cloud cover. Taking a look at our forecast planner for today, the low pressure that is going to linger across the area is pretty weak, but that stationary boundary draped across the area, as well as in combination with the humid conditions we have been seeing, is going to help to give us that continued rain chances throughout the day and tonight. As we go into tonight, we're going to see high pressure really start to build pretty strongly across the northeastern United States, and that is going to create a pretty tight pressure gradient as that weak low starts to move east of the area, and that is also going to continue our rain chances, but it's going to give us some breezy winds starting tonight into tomorrow. And with that pressure gradient, we do expect wind advisory criteria as we go into tomorrow morning. As we go into tomorrow morning, that low is going to really weaken just off the coast, but it's going to kind of transition into a inverted surface trough just to the south of that high pressure system, and that's going to continue to give us breezy winds through Thursday, as well as a chance of showers, as the high pressure then will start to move that weak surface trough back onto shore, and that is going to continue our rain chances even through Thursday night and into Friday morning. And as we go into Friday afternoon, that weak inverted surface trough is going to begin to weaken and dissipate, and we should start to see a couple breaks in the clouds as we go into late Friday afternoon, as well as ending those rain chances. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, the best chances for lightning were before 10 a.m. this morning, so it looks like the lightning has moved out of the area. Still can't rule out about a 5% chance of a stray lightning strike as we go into this afternoon hour if we get an isolated convection across the area. But for the most part, we're just going to be continuing to see cloudy skies with widely scattered showers. High is only going to be around 74 degrees today, and we are going to be seeing those easterly winds persist throughout the day, really picking up as we go into this evening, gusting to near 30 knots into the wind advisory criteria levels as we go into tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we're going to be seeing those ceilings remain about 2,000 feet to 4,000 feet throughout much of the workday today. As we go into late this afternoon and this evening, we're going to see those ceilings really drop into IFR territory with ceilings down to around 500 feet into the overnight hours and through Thursday morning as we get that strong onshore flow developing and that weak disturbance remaining off to the east. For the next few days, it's going to be cloudy and with some light showers continuing. Tomorrow we are going to expect those light shower chances throughout much of the day, maybe even some drizzle at times, and it is going to be breezy with wind gusts to 30 to possibly even 35 knots at times as we go into Thursday afternoon with those low clouds continuing throughout the day. Thursday night is going to continue to be cloudy. Should see a little bit of a less chance of rain, but still expecting some isolated to perhaps widely scattered light showers across the area, and those breezy winds will continue into Thursday night with a low of 62. For Friday, we're going to continue to see overcast skies, but it looks like we will have a chance to see some partly sunny skies at times in the afternoon. We'll see those slightly breezy winds and a continued chance of isolated showers, but those will mostly be in the morning with the breeziness and chance for showers dissipating as we go into late Friday afternoon. And we are still expecting an above average high on Friday of 72 degrees. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast here. The next 3 days do look to be the worst day in the forecast weather-wise with continued dreary conditions. Temperatures will be in the low 70s for the next 3 days with still fairly above average temperatures, especially in the morning for this time of year. Morning temperatures remaining in the mid-60s. As we go into Saturday, we are going to start to have that southerly flow return, and that's going to help to clear out skies a bit, expecting only partly cloudy skies for Saturday and Sunday. But it is going to continue to be warm due to that southerly flow, with still well above average temperatures for this time of year, around 15 degrees above average, with a temperature of 80 degrees expected for Saturday and Sunday. And we are going to be having a stronger south-southwesterly flow on Monday as an approaching cold front moves into the region. And with that cold front passage on Monday, still expecting a warm day, and possibly some scattered showers with that passage. But behind that cold front on Tuesday, we're going to finally see a return of more autumn-like weather with temperatures only in the upper 60s and our low temperatures down to where they should be in the 50s as we start to dry out the atmosphere. That'll do it for today's weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. for your daily operations brief and at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a great day.